What's up, everyone? Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, May 30th, 2019. I hope you're doing well. Litecoin looking amazing. It is. Since December, Litecoin has been looking awesome. I want to talk about Litecoin right now. Right now, going down, actually, as I start this video, $108 Litecoin. It's all good. We have some targets on the downside I want to talk about. I want to start zoomed out real quick. I'm going to make this video brief for you. Let's get right to it. Zoomed out. What is good about Litecoin when we look at the zoomed out chart? A lot of synergy in terms of that last bear market, the exit of that last bear market. We see it here from swing low to swing high, exiting that bear market back then compared to now, very similar. But what is different? One thing that is different is from swing low back here to swing high is only around a couple months. And I know I'm zoomed out on the charts, but you get the idea of what we're looking at. 2 months of pretty parabolic gains. This time around, December to May, a little bit longer term in terms of gains. We have higher highs, higher lows, and if we look at that part of the chart, we see this kind of rising wedge with different layers to it, and we've talked about this on the channel before, and it's one of the best things that we have going in terms of charting for Litecoin stemming back to December. Some really good data points representing the flow of Litecoin. So we take this into context with zooming in the charts. We're going to go to the 4-hour and really see where we are right now, trading at around $109, $108, right? So keep in mind right now the 50 moving average right here around $84, $85 on the daily chart. Huge area for Litecoin, for Bitcoin. It's one of our best indicators, I guess we can say, in terms of support and resistance, depending on what type of market we are in. So currently, for context, to the downside, just to let you know from where we are right now, Litecoin around 22% away from that 50 moving average. That's an important data point to remember. Let's go to the 4-hour, because the 4-hour is a little bit quicker in terms of where we are real time right now as I do this video. I have on the screen a couple Fibonacci retracements indicators pulled up, right? So number one, we have back here, the end of March, we have this low here to swing high at the beginning of April, and we have a pullback, this period of consolidation, very healthy consolidation, and Litecoin pulled right back to the 786. Here's our channel, the 618 to 786. Litecoin hit it perfectly and continued an uptrend. To get an idea of what that looks like on these charts, beginning of April, here is that period of consolidation, right back down into this middle layer of this rising wedge, wrapping itself around the 50 moving average. Very healthy move for Litecoin. Wasn't the best few weeks for everybody, but it was very healthy, right? April was a very healthy month of consolidation for continued uptrend that would follow. Now, I'm looking at and looking for similar data points and similar moves for Litecoin right now. We have this swing low down here back in, May 23rd, around a week ago, to most previous swing high that we just had. And we're looking at right now around $99 to around $92 on this Fibonacci retracement, this 618 to 786. The question is, what will happen if Litecoin enters that area, $92 to $99? Are we going to see support as we did back here in this Fibonacci retracement and see a continued uptrend? It's a very important layer for me that I'm looking. It's kind of my first target area to the downside. I wanted to talk about it in this video. If you're wondering what's my second downside target, we've talked about it. It's the 50 moving average right here around $85. In terms of accumulation, it's kind of like that mid-level accumulation area for me. I will be buying Litecoin in that area. Heavy accumulation, not going to talk about it too much. I talk about it often. Many of you know what my heavy accumulation area for Litecoin is. Many don't like to hear it. It's around $60, the 50-week moving average on Litecoin. Are we going to get that consolidation leading into this next halving? Similar to what the consolidation we got in that last 2015 halving out of that Litecoin bear market, right? We may get a similar move. I'm sitting here ready to accumulate if we get it. Not saying it's going to happen. These are my targets that we're looking at if this downtrend continues, and I wanted to put it out there. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know when you're buying. I'm curious. Don't take this video as financial advice. Don't listen to YouTubers for financial advice. These are just some data points I wanted to share with you. If you're here right now and you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of the channel. I will see you all in the next video. Have a great day, and God bless.